A Wittenstein servo actuator is a combination of a planetary gearbox and a synchronous servo motor. Both parts are assembled without an additional connecting element. The servo actuators are characterized by the following technical advantages: high power density, high dynamics, short structural length. The core of the actuator is contrary to the gearbox, not the toothing, but the synchronous servo motor. This comprises of a stator with a copper wire coil and a rotor with permanent magnets. The permanent magnets on the rotor create a constant magnetic field. By supplying the stator with three-phase alternating current, a magnetic rotating field is created. This exerts a force on the rotor, which moves synchronously to the rotating field. A change in the power frequency causes a change in the speed of the rotor. The level of the current determines the amount of the electromagnetic force and thus the resulting motor torque. The pinion is pressed into the motor shaft and acts as a link, transmitting the torque and speed into the gearbox. In certain applications, such as vertical movements for example, a holding brake is required in order to maintain the position of the machine after switching off the motors. The servo actuator has an electrical connection, enabling power to pass from the servo controller to the motor and the actual values for speed and position to be transmitted back. In a higher-level machine control, there is a program with specifications for torque, speed, and target position. The servo motor is supplied with electrical current according to these specifications via the servo controller. Feedback from the motor supplies information on position and speed, allowing deviations to the programmed specifications to be corrected. This is called servo control. The servo actuators offer an enormous benefit for our customers. The high dynamics increase productivity, the high power density reduces energy consumption, and the short structural length enables its use even in difficult spatial conditions. The development, production, and distribution of low backlash planetary gearboxes and rotary servo actuators is our core competence.